How often should I bathe my pet? It's one of the most common questions from pet owners, especially those who live with dogs and cats indoors. Some people bathe their pets every week, others only once a month, and some do it even more often out of fear that their pets might smell. But here's something many don't realize. Overbathing can do more harm than good. It can lead to skin dryness, irritation, and even long-term skin issues if done incorrectly or too frequently. In this guide, we'll help you understand how often you should bathe your dog or cat and how to do it the right way. Hashtag human skin versus pet skin. What's the difference? Before diving into how often to bathe, we need to understand that a pet skin is not like human skin. Human skin has a balanced oil layer and regenerates quickly. Dogs and cats have sebaceous glands that produce natural oils to protect their skin and coat. These natural oils help maintain moisture, protect against bacteria and fungi, and keep the coat soft and shiny. Bathing too often strips these oils, leaving the skin dry and vulnerable to irritation or infection. Hashtag, so how often should you bathe a pet? Hashtag, for dogs. In general, dogs should be bathed every 2 to 4 weeks. However, the ideal frequency depends on 1. Breed. Long-haired or thick-coated breeds, like golden retrievers, huskies, may need more frequent baths. Breeds with sensitive skin require extra caution and special shampoos. 2. Activity level. Dogs that play outside, roll in dirt, or go swimming may need more regular cleaning. 3. Odor and skin condition. If your dog smells strongly or their coat feels greasy, it might be bath time. If their skin is red, flaky, or itchy, consult a vet before bathing. Pro tip: regular brushing can help reduce odor and dirt without needing to bathe as often. Hashtag for cats. Believe it or not, most cats don't need baths at all. Cats are naturally clean animals. They groom themselves by licking their fur, keeping it clean and tangle-free. But in some cases, bathing is necessary. Long-haired breeds like Persians or Maine Coons, cats with mobility issues who can't groom properly, or if the cat is extremely dirty or has been exposed to harmful substances. In those cases, once a month is usually enough. Always use a cat-specific shampoo, as their skin is more delicate than dogs. Hashtag risks of bathing too often. 1. Dry skin and itching. Removing natural oils causes flakiness, dandruff, and discomfort. 2. Excessive shedding. Damaged skin can lead to hair loss and coat thinning. 3. Skin infections. Moisture trapped under the fur can create an environment for bacteria and fungi. 4. Increased stress. Frequent baths can stress pets, especially cats, who often dislike water. Hashtag when should you bathe your pet? Look for signs like strong or unusual body odor, greasy or sticky coat, excessive scratching or licking, matted fur or visible dirt. You feel residue when petting them. If several of these signs appear, a bath may be needed. Otherwise, stick with brushing and spot cleaning. Hashtag bathing tips for a happy pet. 1. Use lukewarm water, not too hot or cold. 2. Use pet-specific shampoo, never human products. 3. Protect their ears and eyes from water. 4. Dry them completely afterward with a towel or pet dryer. 5. Offer treats and praise after the bath. Creating a positive experience helps reduce anxiety for future baths. Hashtag quick summary. Dogs, every 2 to 4 weeks depending on breed, activity, and coat condition. Cats, only when necessary, once a month is usually enough. Too frequent bathing can harm the skin, lead to infections, or cause stress. Brushing helps keep pets clean and reduces the need for frequent baths. Caring for your pet means more than just keeping them clean. It's about finding the right balance between hygiene and health. When in doubt, consult your vet, observe your pet's behavior, and remember, sometimes doing less is actually doing better. Subscribe to Wiseuse for more practical tips for a healthier, happier life with your pets.